Question 75. Vagina and female external genital organs. Here you have the vagina. It is situated behind the urinary bladder and urethra and in front of rectum. It extends from the uterus to the vestibule. It extends above or encloses the cervix of uterus and so creates a posterior and anterior fornix. The posterior fornix is covered by peritoneum. And separated from the rectum by the recto-uterine pouch. The rectovaginal septum connects the lower part of the vaginal wall to the rectum. You have an anterior and posterior wall. Inferiorly, they create the vaginal orifice, which opens into the vestibule. Inside of the vagina, the wall has rugae, which forms columns of vagina. The rectovaginal septum is thickened inferiorly and called perineal body. The blood supply of vagina is the vaginal branches of uterine artery, middle rectal artery, and internal pudendal artery. This is a vaginal branch. And the nerve supply is by the pelvic autonomic plexus and the pudendal nerve from the lumbar plexus. You can see the pudendal nerve. And now the external female genitalia. Firstly, I have mons pubis, which is a cutaneous eminence in front of the pubic symphysis. It is composed of fatty tissue beneath the skin, and at puberty the skin becomes covered with hair. Next we have labia majora, two cutaneous folds containing fatty tissue. Extends from the mons pubis to the perineal region. Here you have perineal body. And they border the pudendal cleft and meet in anterior and posterior commissure. Outer surface is pigmented and covered with hair, and inner surface contains sebaceous glands. The round ligament of the uterus terminate in the labia majora. Round ligament of uterus. Then we have labia minora. They are also small cutaneous folds, but they contain no fat. Anteriorly, the labia is divided into the prepuce of clitoris and frenulum of clitoris. And posteriorly, the labia meet in frenulum of labia minora. The skin of labia minora contains sebaceous glands, and they border the vestibule in gray. The vestibule is a space between the labia minora lined with where the external surface is lined with mucosa, and you have minor vestibular glands. Here the external urethral orifice opens and the vaginal orifice opens. The vaginal orifice in a virgin is partly enclosed by a mucus fold called a humen. Next we have a clitoris, which is a homologue of the penis. It is composed of two elongated masses of erectile tissue, and they are covered by bulbospongiosus muscle and ischial cavernosus muscle. The bulb is rounded posteriorly and narrowed anteriorly. And then we have the greater vestibular glands of Bartolini. They are 2 in number, and they are the same as the bulbourethral glands in male. Each gland is placed on the outer surface of urogenital diaphragm near the dorsal part of the bulb of vestibule. And the ductal gland opens into the vestibule near the vaginal orifice. The blood supply of the external genital organs are the internal and external pudendal vessels. And the nerve supply is mainly the pudendal nerve.